Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how you can take a backup of your neuron node, okay, or you can say how you can export the neuron node backup so you can share it with anyone else. So here is our node running. Let me log into the node. Okay, once you log into the neuron node, you can go to the config section here, and here you can see this node underscore 001. So we want to take backup of this node. So what we can do is we can right click here, we can click on this manage backups, and here you can see we don't have any backup. So we want to create a backup and then we want to export it for later use, or if you want to share it with anyone else. So what we can do is we can click on this create button, and we will provide the name that we have node 001, and the backup date is 13th04/2024. okay, and we will just press OK here, and you can see the date created of the backup is today. And if you want to export the backup, then you can click on this three dot and you can click here to export the backup. You can see we have a backup. Okay, and if you open this, then you can see web UI, OPC UI client, Modbus client, so everything which we have configured in the neuron node that will be available inside the backup. Okay, so this is how you can take a backup of your neuron node. Now in the next video what we are going to see is how you can import the backup, and then after how you can load that backup. Okay, so I'm going to close this window now, and we will meet you in the next video. And in the next video we will see how you can re-import that backup, and after importing that backup how you can load that backup. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.